Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Samsung. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Lock Screen. Following that, choose Screen Lock Type at the top and click on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Then you need to create it. Choose Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. If you wish to disable notifications on your locked screen completely, tap on this switcher at the top. If you wish to enable them, click on the same one. You can also adjust all of those notification options however you wish to. When you finished, choose Done. Back up your pattern by selecting Continue. And now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!